All right, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the first off-road test of the most powerful Audi off-roading machine to ever grace the internet. Today we're gonna be pinning it up against our boy Sasha in his F350 and our boy Alan in his third gen 4Runner. And they're both here to basically save the day when we inevitably break something and or get stuck. We are at the iconic Stave Lake, one of the greatest off-road locations in the Lower Mainland. So for those of you that are new here and checking out this video to see what a Q7 can do off-road, this is my 2014 Q7 TDI. I've got 32-inch Falcon Wild Peak AT4Ws on a 3-inch Dark Side Developments lift, Eurowise roof rack, fully deleted and tuned. So we're gonna see what this thing can do. We don't have any locking diffs or anything. We could go higher in the future, and we probably will with the lift. And we have no armor yet. We don't have sliders, we don't have bumpers, we don't have steel skid plates. And we're gonna see what we can do without breaking anything, but who knows, we'll see. We're gonna send it a little bit, because obviously I don't really care if this thing gets scratched up in the bumpers and whatnot, but without further ado, let's hit the trail. Yeah. Yep, the road is looking mint. So at Stave, there are a couple of decent little like side trail things that we're gonna try and go up that have some decent entrance angles and everything. So we'll see, and we'll get Jacob to hop out and get some exterior angle, and then I'll probably put I'll put a microphone on you as well so that you can get like the sound of the TDI. Should we go up on the side here? Some solid angle. Yeah, so the nice thing about Stave Lake is the fact that you've got a pretty, I would say, well-maintained FSR with a bunch of these little side trails that go up the mountains and everything. And so Harrison's a little bit more remote, so it's kind of like harder to get help if you're really screwed, but that's why you have off-roading friends, and especially when you drive an Audi. But all right, let's do some climbing. Oh my God, Sasha's turbo is so loud. Yeah, because there's like there's a super fucked trail up here on the left out front of like the Sayers Lake recreation area. As much as it would be hilarious to fucking send it down there in this thing, 100% we're getting stuck.
Fuck, I'm so stoked, man.
Yeah, we could try.
There's a mud pit right there.
I know.
I just saw it right now.
Yeah, that one is pretty solid. Like I've been here before and done through there, but with like an 80 series Land Cruiser triple locked on like 37s, but I don't think I've ever been up.
Walkers.
You want to drive through it?
First thing I get stuck and then you guys can pull me out.
Yeah. She's a bit deep. Yeah, it's a little bit deep there, bud.
Still running?
Yeah, it's on. It's fine. He's not up to the air box. It's all good. Yeah, see if you can walk out of it a little bit. Probably not, but we'll see. Oh yeah, you got it. You're moving. Yeah, okay, hold on. Do you have a strap in the back there? Okay.
Want me to strap him up?
Either one of us. Here.
It gets solid and then it drops.
Yeah.
Let's see what I can do.
Do not drop my camera, please.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Right here is where it gets bad.
I saw it, I'm like, fuck yeah, it's gonna be great. Then it started to sink, I'm like, no. Fuck, I'm so stoked, man.
Until you're like, dude.
And I sent it, like I floored it, going in.
Okay, tension. Put her in reverse, Alan. Come on. Can you back up at all? Like, do you have traction now? You go for it? Yeah, you're good. Okay, you're good.
Awesome. Beautiful.
Your air feels okay. clean it up. It's a little bit dirty, that thing. Yeah, we're cleaned up now, boys.
A little bit wet.
Just a little bit. Buddy, this thing runs on hopes and dreams, man. And that's what I was going for when we went into it.
Full fucking send. My fucking parking sensors are like beep, 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 beep. Send it?
Yeah.
Oh, piece of cake, bud.
Oh!
You want me to hook up? Yeah.
Okay, do you want to do it or you want?
I'll do it. Content. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're about to see the maximum towing capacity of a 2014 Audi Q7 at work. I might need to come over a little bit. Yeah, one sec. Oh no, not my paint.
Get in the car.
Okay, ready?
Slow, 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 slow. Slow, 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 slow. Okay, that's it. Good? Go. Go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, keep going, keep going. Go right up, go right up. Go, 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 go. Good. Good. Go.
Oh my God.
So you just pulling.
Perfect. Fucking mint.
Oh yeah. One apiece.
Yeah, I will.
That's what you need. So this one help.
Yeah, what do you mean? That'll hold what? 8,000 pounds?
Charger.
What the Sigma?
You slid in well though.
Shit.
You can make it through that. You can easily make it through this.
How did it look sending through this fucking thing?
Pretty neat.
Yeah, pretty solid. Send it.
can make it through that. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm thinking down there, little trail,
Yeah.
whale back in.
Here. Oh. Dude, fucking light work.